Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to solve a problem using laws of radicals. So here we have to simplify cube root of 2025 and cube root of 375. So now let us consider cube root of 2025. So here cube root of 2025 is nothing but cube root of 27 into 75. So this can be written as cube root of, here 27 is nothing but 3 raised to the power 3, and 75 can be written as 3 into 25. So here using the law of radical here, we can write this as cube root of 3 raised to power 3 into cube root of 3 into 25 is nothing but 75. This can also be written as 3 raised to the power 3 whole power 1 by 3 into cube root of 75. So here 3 one time is 3 and 3 one time is 3. We get 3 raised to the power 1, that is nothing but 3 into cube root of 75. So this is the simplest form of cube root of 2025. Now let us consider cube root of 375. Here cube root of 375 is nothing but cube root of 125 into 3. So here 125 can be written as 5 cube into 3. So here using the law of radical again, we get cube root of 5 raised to the power 3 into cube root of 3. So here cube root of 5 raised to the power 3 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 whole power 1 by 3 into cube root of 3. So now 5 raised to the power 3 whole power 1 by 3 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 by 3 into cube root of 3. And here 3 once is 3 and 3 one time is 3. We get here 5 raised to the power 1, that is nothing but 5 into 3 into cube root of 3. So this is the simplest form of cube root of 375. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.